She said, rain down on me, I'm not your homie, I'm your best friend to the very end. I known you for way too long, all this crazy shit that's going on, come fuck me. Let's be grown, we've been friends for way too long. I need you, I wanna feed you with this pussy, you can feed me with that dingling. I need you right in my bed, I give you amazing head, just spread your legs and let me do what I just said. It's been a while, but you made me smile, and I've been saying this for a while. If you feel the same, who am I to blame? Cause all I know is these boys is lame. They ain't ready for what I'm gonna bring to the table, but is you able to handle all this goodness that I have for you? What you gonna do? All this is all for you. It ain't no telling what I'm gonna do. I know that I was made for you, and I'm really willing to break all the rules.